Welcome to Pat's Listening English. I'm Patrice the Squirrel. Our goal here is an English mind. Think in English, even your inner voice. We'll simulate real scenes, so jump in and role play with me. It's a short lesson. Listen on repeat and keep it light. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Today's theme is a day working from home. Let's listen to a natural conversation. Imagine you're there and see how much you can catch. Ready? Let's begin.
The weather looks good today. Perfect start for working from home. This smell always wakes me up. All right, let's see what today brings. I hope the Wi-Fi works today. Why is it so slow? Oh no, here comes the update. I knew it was coming. Time to consider buying a new one.
Hey, I thought you were working.
Yeah, I'm working from home today. But my PC is updating, so I'm taking a short break.
Do you need lunch later?
I'll bring something to my desk later, no worries. By the way, who's in charge of dinner tonight?
You are. But I'll be back late tonight, so no rush.
Got it. I'll stop by the store after the gym and cook something then. Thanks. Since the update takes time, maybe I should review that exam material later. And there's the Zoom meeting with the overseas branch this weekend. Gotta prepare for that too. At least the time difference means it's in the early morning. Glad Saturday is free after that. Finally, that was faster than usual. Let's get back to work. I need to send that report later. Better not forget. It's almost lunchtime. I'll just grab something simple here. Let's finish these emails first. After that, I should prepare slides for the meeting. Work's done for today. Time to log off. I'll hit the gym, pick up some groceries, and then cook dinner. Okay, I'm heading out now. I'll be back after the gym and shopping.
All right, take care.
Working from home saves me commuting time, so I actually get more time for myself. Tonight, I can relax with a good book, or maybe watch a movie after dinner. I'm really looking forward to it.
Thanks for watching till the end. Think in English, even your inner voice. That's the shortcut to an English mind. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.